do this whole setup, couples and stuff. And
Oh, my toes. Okay, so I'm Kylie. That's Sarah.
I'm Sarah. Wait, are we putting this on YouTube?
Why not? Okay.
I just
anyways,
looked off YouTube.
we're gonna play Chubby Bunny, and hopefully we don't die.
We're gonna die.
Do you wanna go first?
You go first.
No, you go first.
Dude, I'm doing relationship advice right now. You go first.
I need relationship advice.
I'm helping you out too, don't worry.
Okay. Chubby Bunny. Come on. No, you can't chew it. You have to hold it in your mouth.
It's in the corner. You see this right now? It's in the corner of my mouth.
You have to say it.
Chubby Bunny.
So now you have 2 in your mouth. Chubby Bunny.
I quit.
No, keep going.
I'm gonna quit.
No, you're not. No, you can't. Shove it in there. You got a big enough mouth. Stick them in your cheeks. From one of them.